What's the good word? Yeah!
Something from the bottom to the top to the scene that shit. Me and my little thug got it from the mud. Everything I spit, I really mean that shit. It's crazy, ain't it? Hard to explain it. I done got famous. All I did was bring it. Savage life behind the mic. Now everybody holler about real entertainment. Rest in peace, Pimp C. I scream that shit every time I do shows. You put me on and I ain't forget. So for my nigga, I gotta fuck two hoes. Whatever y'all mean that I ain't got queen. Cause you see me in the hood, don't think I can't leave. When I was 19, I really had a whole meal. These other little niggas just telling y'all dreams. See if my kids gon' make it through that. Yeah. From Miami to LA, back to Manhattan, but a big K. From Baton Rouge, I done did it. Go ahead and admit it, I'm the shit head. And I don't care what a bitch say. I'm gon' be like this, till I get gray. And I ain't putting no rims on it. When it's 500, you ride factory. The new album is on the way. When it's the real deal, you know you gotta wait. Badass gon' act a dog ass, and y'all already know it.
You better believe it. You better believe it. My money don't fall and get me stuck. You better believe it. You better believe it. You better believe it. I always stay true, stick to the G-top. You better believe it. I'ma stay on the grind, get mine like a real nigga should. I'ma still do me, be the same OG, but I gotta believe it. I'ma rap my block, every city, every town, everywhere I go. Yes, if you didn't know, you better believe it.
Hello? Hi. I dropped by my headshot testing.
What's the good word? Later, dude.
Gangsta babe, I ain't nothing but a gangsta babe, babe. I ain't nothing but a gangsta babe, baby. I ain't nothing, baby. I ain't nothing but a crazy. My girl
Cause I ain't leaving out the house without my vest on my nine. Niggas shot me up and left a nigga laying for dead. Old coward ass nigga put some bread on my head. Go on and get your read for a motherfucker like 50 Cent. Whoa! Coming with those shells, been Adidas, some choppers and millimeters. Hasta la vista, see you when I see you. Father, please forgive me for this gangster living. All this hustling and drug dealing, thugging and killing. For the love, for the money, niggas kicking down doors. Ain't no rules in the ghetto, nigga, anything goes. Brains get blow, motherfuckers' heads explode. Man, fuck the police, cause drugs gotta get sold. Fast cars, bad bras, that's the life for me. Baby, I ain't nothing. Baby, I ain't nothing but a G. I ain't nothing but a gangster, babe. I ain't nothing but a gangster, babe. I ain't nothing but a gangster, babe. Baby, I ain't nothing. Baby, I ain't nothing but a G. I ain't nothing but a gangster, babe. I ain't nothing but a gangster, babe. I ain't nothing but a gangster, babe. Baby, I ain't nothing. Baby, I ain't nothing but a G. I ain't nothing but a gangster, babe. I ain't nothing but a gangster, babe. I ain't nothing but a gangster, babe. Baby, I ain't nothing but a G. I ain't nothing but a gangster, babe. I ain't nothing but a gangster, babe. I ain't nothing but a gangster, babe. Baby, I ain't nothing but a baby, I ain't nothing but a G. Gangster shit. 2000. Camouflage. Yeah, big blue on the bass. Sean on the guitar. Got big coat, man, blowing. Fat boy on the track. Feel the pain. Straight motherfucking gangsters. If you don't believe me, come see me.
With a day, I want you out, how mean can you get? And for you niggas in the hood getting slick, kiss my ass cause I live just to make y'all sick.
What your heart beating for? What your heart beating for, huh?
In the club, showing love. In the trap line, 22 studs. In the street, with the beef. With they bitch still talking about me. In the bank, in the lag. In the hood, still getting their ass jacked. Getting to it, in the hood. Talking bad, but it's still all good.
I'm in the club, post up, chillin' in the back. Got a bottle of yak and I snuck in with the Mac. Got some fresh pose on, Reeds on my feet. Pose love when I'm thuggin' in my fresh white tee. I'm about whatever, be Jizzle was a G. We could do it however, it don't matter to me. We could do it right here, we could take it outside. I'm young, but believe I've been about mine. I shine when it's time to shine. I grind when it's time to grind. Slang iron when it's time to bust. Slang dick when it's time to fuck. I'm a chopper city nigga, gon' try your luck. You want beef? I ain't hard to find, I'm everywhere. You don't be where you say you be, you never there. You stuntin' like you bowdy, bitch nigga, you scared. I see your heart beating, so nigga pray break bread. What your heart beating for? What your heart beating for, huh?
In the club, showing love. In the trap, ride 22 stub. In the street, with the beef. With they bitch still talking about me. In the back, in the leg. In the hood, still getting their ass jacked. Getting two-way, in the hood. Talking bad, but it's still all good. You better watch it when I'm cocking my crown. Cause I'm clumsy, I slip running you down. You better leave me alone. I ain't no bitch that don't talk shit on the phone. I got something that just might follow you home. Now ain't I dead ass wrong? How could you forget if brain the blown? I guess that fat bitch is singing her song. That bitch is singing her song. You wonder why little boys ain't grown. Your mouth is heavy, but your back ain't strong. Now once again it's on. You must be smoking on that Cheech and Chong. That you can handle me with something that's wrong. Something that's wrong. It's writing in blood or carving in stone. Otherwise you don't want no problems with home. Don't want no problems with home. You can't get rid of me, not even penitentiary. You're a friend of me, you need to be. I'm out of that community. Without a mask, jack a nigga for his cash. Hot lead, make a motherfucker heart beat fast.
What your heart beating for? What your heart beating for, huh?
In the club, showing love. In the trap, ride 22 stub. In the street, with the beef. With they bitch still talking about me. In the back, in the leg. In the hood, still getting their ass jacked. Getting two-way, in the hood. Talking bad, but it's still all good.
Thank you. Am I fucking high or what? Goodbye.
them. No more hanging, no more slanging pearls and crack pieces. No more fucking dog bitches, Karen Deadly. They burn your dick on, bang your age through the rubber. I done settle down with a boss bitch, but now that's my lover. She down for a nigga, when the situation get heavy, she'll let loose rounds for a nigga. And if I don't come home, she'll come bloodhound for a nigga. That's the type of bitch I need. No drink, no smoke, no weed. Hoes label me a hot boy, cause I just come home and I don't get deep. But I'm a boss, baby. I like the flows, baby. Can I ball, y'all? Can I ball?
Now can I ball y'all, or do they wanna see me crawl? Man, fuck all y'all. If y'all was waiting on my fall, can I ball y'all, or do they wanna see me crawl? Man, fuck all y'all. If y'all was waiting on my fall. Now Soldier Slim, my nigga, my nerve, my partner, my word, and my round. My ace, my dog, I was down even when you was on that brown. You camouflaged uptown, there was some shit to see. So when they locked you up, I continued the legacy. Now all these niggas claiming soldier, is you about that war? Would you die for me if them niggas pulled up in that tinted car? I think you niggas sitting around waiting on my fall. Let a nigga ball, nigga, let a nigga ball. Can I ball y'all, or do they wanna see me crawl? Man, fuck all y'all. If y'all was waiting on my fall, can I ball niggas, or do they wanna see me crawl? Fuck y'all niggas, you heard me?
Now y'all understand. Now you understand. Mac is gone. Soldier Slim. In the process of BOOCing, balling out of control.
So look, I'ma tell you things like this here. We about to go get these motherfucking Rolexes shined up, nigga. Go get our chrome shined up, and we going wrong, bro.
They don't want to hear no shit like that.
They ain't gonna like
But we balling out of control though.
clean out of control, nigga. We doing them niggas
Like
like
that. Fuck it.
Yeah. Spin the bin on these niggas. I swear I won't. Yeah. I send this out to my nigga, wherever you are. We still ain't nothing but some niggas in trouble, you heard me? Feel it? Look, yeah. It's World War, niggas. It's like a deadly game. And me and my niggas, we in to win it, you heard me? World War, nigga. Crooked cops. For sure. Ain't no time to think. All the niggas, look, check it. Feel the wrath of a soldier. The Crescent City Jesus. Pack a tray deuce and got an army about the size of Beirut to hit them. We rugged even if it's unplugged for thug lifers. We beat them niggas leaving slugs in your crime cipher. We got the town locked with underground stock. Around clock workers the service. Responsible for many murders. We leave the town with all the gold pieces. Shoot the sheriff to assure my family's convict releases. Pay the witnesses to hold their bread. Now cooperation is only dead. And no, this ain't no phony tag. I'm in the limo full of blow niggas. But I'm never high cause the leader gotta be up on his toes, nigga. A trail of cops is following. We start to swallowing these evidentials. Keep supplying his name confidential. The first be the survivors, the rest is dead on the ride. Keep the gangs all safe. I never let you crook cops raise the pound of cops and ride like a prison. My daddy used to call him Johnny. I never thought them snake motherfuckers would be behind me. They took a shot and then they blind me. My eyes rolled like a zombie. My life started seeming timely. I can't believe it, officer friendly. Just put a slug in Lil McKinley. I'll be a memory. Shit, I ain't having it. Fighting for my life, the reaper's grabbing it. Just enough strength to pull the trigger once more. I hit his cabbage and he dropped like the baggage jet. I heard a nigga say he wasn't there yet. They should've never said that. My life came back like some supernatural shit. I stood up and took the bullets they was hitting me with. I grabbed the dead cop Glock from the holster, pointed at the rest of them and said, motherfuckers, I'm a soldier. You can't kill me. He said, we'll see. I said, nigga, feel me. And hit him with that 9 milli. You heard me? I took my vest off and threw it on the pavement. You never see the mass assassination. You motherfuckers. And it's how it is in 99. It's just World War on these motherfucking cops. Feel it. It's like a deadly game of cops and robbers. The niggas who in low first be the survivors. The rest is dead on the robber. Keep the heaters off safety. I never let you crook cops erase me. Cops and robbers. It's like a deadly game of cops and robbers. The niggas who in low first be the survivors. The rest is
dead on the robber. Keep the gas off safely. I never let you crook cops and rape niggas. Cops and robbers. It's the year 2000. The devil's still running. Money is done with. We on this old get your gun shit. You eat the ball and then you starving. Tombstones in the midst of carving. On top of that, we living in New Orleans. Yet I'm trying to make something shake. The only thing between me and my cake is fake Jake. But it get triper. If I escape, then that's cool. But if not, looking.
Hey, stop! Hola!
What's going on?
Time to rewind, cause I'm falling way behind. Me and my dog, we on the grind. Changed my life, Lord knows I ain't living right. Y'all know I ain't chilling right, smoking out of the air. Gotta use my mind, gotta find time to rewind, cause I'm falling way behind. Me and my dog, we on the
Gotta watch my
grind.
back, represent for the soldiers. Now couple years older, have boulders and the soda. Get rich with the motive, now shit done changed. Niggas done it in the rain. I'm straight cocaine and it ain't no thing. She's the game in his own, straight aim in his own. Gotta watch my back, gotta stack my flow. Gotta pay my bills, leave bread in the wheel. Hold to the old girl, she got hoes better chill. Now back to the game. Lots of niggas done died for this, still lost their life. For this got me on this survival, some type of AK ride. A thug with a heart, took a trip with some heart. Had to do it, he was scarred. Seen his mom in the park, tears dried up on what's wrong. Your son gon' miss he ever coming back home. She said you straight young nigga, take a look in the mirror, I was there when you was gone. Now back to the streets, we young niggas like me. Gon' do what we got to do. You ain't none without your crew. But a light in the night and I'm thinking about you. In the bedroom tied up with your mouthpiece wide up. With the safe in the floor and that yo, that had motherfuckers fired up. And see, that's the truth. I done told my nigga this street shit ain't a game. But I'm seeing the same. Young niggas get slain for a little bit of fame and cocaine. Trying to do things just for the Benzes and Beamers and bitches. Thanking riches, don't take care stitches. And niggas with triggers. Niggas better watch their back. Cause the same time I'm trying to preach to you and release to you some shit you need. Young nigga with greed don't try to put the heat to you. Heat to you.
Changed my life, Lord knows I ain't living right. Y'all know I ain't chilling right, smoking out of the day.
They call it a jack, and they're done with a guy. Ski mask in the van, let the horse do the rest. Thug and broke niggas be the best. Yes, and you'll die if you buck. Get fucked right up. So come back if you like, bring your gas if you like. And get stacked if you like. Hold your back if you like. All I need is a chance. Match in the bed. Talking clown my friends for the world of the man. Then break my doors at the pen. When I'm off in the club. Buzz love for the thug. See, Hennessy in the club. Got all these rabbit ass MAGA hoes, they woke it up.
Changed my life, Lord knows I ain't living right. Y'all know I ain't chilling right, smoking out of the day. Gotta ease my mind, gotta find time to rewind, cause I'm falling way behind. Me and my dog, we on the grind. Changed my life, Lord knows I ain't living right. Y'all know I ain't chilling right, smoking out of the day. Gotta ease my mind, gotta find time to rewind, cause I'm falling way behind. Me and my dog, we on the
Now buy
grind.
them hoes, tryna find them a man, just to pay their bills when yes they can. Wait 28 grams, take it toward the land, ain't got no plan. They'll wait for a thug, go give him a hug, show him how to be loved. Then suck him up, straight fucking him up, then get in his bins, get with all his friends, take all his ends and send him to the pen. Then do it all again, amen. But Lord forgive him, have mercy on their souls, live like hoes and share a little prayer for me in my life, cause I ain't living right, you know
Changed my life, Lord knows I ain't living right. Y'all know I ain't chilling right, smoking out of the day and night. Gotta ease my mind, gotta find time to rewind, cause I'm falling way behind. Me and my dog, we on the grind. Changed my life, Lord knows I ain't living right. Y'all know I ain't chilling right, smoking out of the day and night. Gotta ease my mind, gotta find time to rewind, cause I'm falling way behind. Me and my dog, we on the grind.
The Lord knows I ain't living right. killer ride, smoking out every day and night. Gotta ease my mind. Gotta find time to rewind, cause I'm way behind. In the wrong state of mind, me and my dogs be on the grind. Gotta change my life.
What's your name, man?
I got it, man.
You got it, man. Oh, your name. Back and I'm talking about you. Fuck you, cause lately I've been feeling since these niggas so they hate me that they gon' try to duct tape me and knock me off and drop me off. And I know ya, but I'm shell shocked, clutching my Glock. Bitch, I'm a soldier, so pay around and change. Cause come and get me, and I'ma be waiting on them by myself.
Dummy.
Hey, look at that!
Away!
Oh my god! Ah! I'm done with this. I'm done.
Tell me where you wanna meet. I navigate myself to take me where you be. Cause girl, I want you right now. I travel uptown, I travel downtown. Wanna have you around, like every single day.
Bricks. I let them get on hoes cause they gon' show you what they working with. A lot of my little dogs still be getting loaded. Walking through the project with their pistol out, talking exploded. Well, they don't give a fuck cause that dealer got them gone. About that foolishness and gon' jack up Winnie Jones. They remind me of me, old Magnolia Slim. You can bring your ass off in the sewer water trying to swim. It's polluted, I'm foolish.
Crime affiliates, nigga. Twin, yeah. 17 reasons, y'all bitch niggas. Count it down, nigga.
1, 2, 3, 4, bitch nigga, here we go. 17 shots, got him ducking, screaming like a hoe. 1, 2, 3, 4, bitch nigga, here we go. 17 shots, got him ducking, screaming like a hoe.
My Millie Mill spit 17. My chopper shoot fitted and plus it got a red beam. Yo, make a nigga turn your block into a murder scene. Yo, fitted hat on the curb, cause you got served like a dope fiend. Let's ride on our enemies, open fire and don't retire till them niggas bleed. Can't you see that we ain't to be fucked with? The type of niggas that you don't wanna get stuck with. Better duck, bitch, hot bullets burn like a motherfucking burn. Give a fuck if your brothers and sisters on the floor. I'm killing all your mama churn. Shit, nigga, you ain't dealing with no fuck niggas. You dealing with some pure pain, rough niggas, that bust niggas.
1, 2, 3, 4, bitch nigga, here we go. 17 shots, got him screaming like a hoe. 1, 2, 3, 4, bitch nigga, here we go. 17 shots, got him ducking, screaming like a hoe. 1, 2, 3, 4, bitch nigga, here we go.
How's it going for you? Bye now.
No matter how slugs cut your ass like glass, as soon as it shatter, now peep what I'm saying, I'm laying niggas down in a hurry. You talking shit while running your mouth and be the first to get buried. But don't worry, I kill them quick with violence. On the rooftop with infrared, drop them in silence. 1, 2, 3, 4, bitch nigga, here we go. 17 shots, got him ducking and screaming like a hoe. 1, 2, 3, 4, bitch nigga, here we go. 17 shots, got him ducking and screaming like a hoe. 1, 2, 3, 4, bitch nigga, here we go. 17 shots, got him ducking and screaming like a hoe. 1, 2, 3, 4, bitch nigga, here we go. 17 shots, got him ducking and screaming like a hoe. 4, 3, 2, 1, big green, got a gun, lick shots up, nigga, block and watch him run. I keep that Millie Mill, cause shit get really real. Out on that battlefield, watch how that blood spill. When these slugs start flying.
17 shots, got him done and screaming like a hoe. 1, 2, 3, 4, bitch, nigga, here we go. 17 shots, got him done and screaming like a hoe.
Keep that needy in my purse. Momo gon' shoot first. Cock it back and let it burst. When works come to works, cause a bitch can't get coke slipping. When bras be tripping, running off into lip, I just let them have it. Cause I know I got the tendency to up and grab it. Whether it's the baby 380 or the 9 automatic, it get rid of that stab. See them niggas be jacking, that's why a bitch be packing late night shit when they attacking. I'm rat-a-tat-tatting. I'm a gangster bitch that'll shake a bitch and put 17 slugs in a nigga ass quick like a cigar. Yo shit split, you nitwit. Squeeze the trigger till my shit go click, click.
1, 2, 3, 4, bitch, nigga, here we go. 17 shots, got him ducking and screaming like a hoe. 1, 2, 3, 4, bitch, nigga, here we go. 17 shots, got him ducking and screaming like a hoe. 1, 2, 3, 4, bitch, nigga, here we go. 17 shots, got him ducking and screaming like a hoe. 1, 2, 3, 4, bitch, nigga, here we go. 17 shots, got him ducking and screaming like a hoe. 1, 2, 3, 4, bitch, nigga, here we go. 17 shots, got him ducking and screaming like a hoe. 1, 2, 3, 4, bitch, nigga, here we go. 17 shots, got him ducking and screaming like a hoe.
Cry my feelings to this bitch. Represent your pain. 17.
Fuck with that bitch.